Today we're going to be showing you how you can achieve a metallic finish on your cake pops. Make sure to grab your favorite metallic luster. Today we're using Sweet Sticks Peach Gold. You want to make sure that you're using an edible metallic luster. Next, grab some nonpareils. Any color will do. We're going to pour them into this cup. We want to have enough that we can submerge our cake pop. Now you can go ahead and add your luster dust. Before dipping, we want to make sure that our nonpareils are fully covered in luster dust. You can do this by mixing it with a spoon or a spatula, or you can create a cover and give your mix a good shake. Now we're going to take our cake pop and we're going to go ahead and submerge it into the nonpareils, and you want to twist as you submerge. And you're going to continue twisting until your cake pop is completely covered in the gold luster. You can repeat these steps using different color lusters, and this is the easiest and quickest way to achieve the metallic look.